Niaje wase, karibuni sana Automobile Cafe, and I'm your guy Adaka. For quite some time tumekuwa off the radar, and to be honest, we really had a very difficult time. We lost data, that's why we were supposed to show you guys how the Celica got to be where it is, but we recovered a few, so maybe in this clip you'll just see a summary of what happened. However, there are so many things that took place, some of them nitaongelea. For instance, we did a pop-up repair at our friend Stephanie. Stephanie Kioni is one of the best mechanical engineer that I've seen, and also very good in wiring. He actually has his own ECU, something that we should be trying maybe in the near future. We also did Paintwork. Some bits of the Paintwork clips zimepotea. There are very few zenye ziko. I'll share that. And majorly, the clip we're going to see today is the tint installation of the Celica ST162, and basically enjoying it within the city, and basically having fun driving this vehicle that has been a hell of a project, approximately 1 year. It's not been easy, but check this out. Ciao. After several days za gari kwa garage, we took a visit on this fateful day kucheki vile project ilikuwa inaendelea and seeing what they had done ama walikuwa wamefika wapi in terms of paintwork. Remember, some of these moldings were not to be removed simply because we wanted the car to be as stock as possible without any further spoilage, ama basically bila kitu ingine extra kuharibika. And this is how the progress was. Check it out. Wala wajamaa wanakuanga ile ngambo ile niona wakikata sijui hizi rims. Wako wanakata wanaweka kwa shaba kama wili. Kwa hivyo hawapanui. Ni kama wili. No wonder. Lakini unajua huko China ni Japan na huko Indonesia kuna watu wanatengeneza hizi, wanakata hii gurudumu, wanaifanya inakuwa deep dish. Sasa ndio nilikuwa nafikiria wanafanyanga hiyo nione kama badala ya kununua nyingine ni wako tu na hii. No, kwa hiyo hizi zinamaliza zinatumika kwa Starbucks. Hiyo iko fiti. Basically hapa rangi ilikuwa ni kama imeisha, just a few touch ups ndio tumalize tuende. At this moment ukiangalia gari ilikuwa tu as stock as possible, haina kitu kingine isipokuwa tu rangi peke yake. The rims are still stock, hatukuwa tumefanya rim patches, bado tulikuwa tumefanya tinting among other things, so ilikuwa tu ni kuguzia tuende to the next step. So kuna kitu tu kuambia by the way. Before gari anze kupigwa rangi, tulikuwa tumefanya pure suspension ama basically all the suspension overhaul. Na kama umefanya suspension before, you'll understand that sometimes alignment will end off. So basically we had to correct the alignment. Na kisha correct alignment, tufanye road test, tuone kama hiyo alignment correction imeingiana na vile tunataka. The car was looking so neat yani. Sema hiyo siku kupewa offers kadhaa.
So long, all the feels are gone. Fella stopped me on the street last night, said everything's alright. Roller coaster, make it through the day, I'm right. It seems your meal ticket is gone, but life goes on. I could never imagine something better. Yeah, right. Now you're cooking on high heat in the middle of the street. Roller coaster, take me to a better time. Let's go! All sing your high line with the roller coaster of life. Yeah. It's time to all choose your timeline on the roller coaster of life.
Driving this car in town was hella fun. Let me tell you, wasol kwa niangalia so kipea macho, and actually it gave me confidence to actually notice that rangi inaweza fanya gari kaepoa. All these other times people never knew that this car existed, including wale watu walikuwa naionanga daily. So basically that was a win for the day. We decided to book appointment ndio tuweze kufanywa tint, and because tinting needed the whole car to be tinted including some of our indicators and lights, we had to book a day. For today, hatungeweza kufanyia tinting. Kenya naweza advice, check us in the next episode, which will be section B of this episode, and see how it all went down. Ciao.
Sing your high line on the roller coaster of life. You've got to